Just a little correction. My name is Sean C. Harrison. That's my pen name, that's my author name, that's my stage name. Although I'm not really necessarily on the stage as yet as a singer, but I do hope that one day my voice will, yes, because of circumstances. Now, parents and students, today I come with a presentation of a piece from my book, The Black in Me. This book celebrates blackness and speaks of the triumphs of the black race as well as the struggles and the history. So it is available for sale on the Amazon platform along with 7 other publications. I have 6 short books of poetry, 1 small devotional, and a book of personal testimonies which are on sale. So I'm in the process of taking orders and promoting, so if you are so inclined, you can, whether you see me here or otherwise, you can approach me and I will let you know how you can get the books. I can order them for you. Nonetheless, as we celebrate Black History Month, I would like to celebrate with you and as students, and even parents. Many of us were not taught how to love our blackness, how to love our skin. But I want you to know today and otherwise that we are a proud people. We are a majestic people. We are a people with a rich culture and history. There is no one like us. And so even as I read this first poem that I hope will be the first for Black History Month here, and I pray Mrs. Ford Ryan will invite me at other times in the month. I want you to put yourself or yourselves in mind of that great country, that great land, that great continent that we know as Mother Africa, from which we all sprung. This poem is entitled An Aria for Africa, and an aria is another name for a song. So it is like an anthem. And so I decided to use this reading to start off my presentations because Africa is where it all started. So may you be blessed and may you be inspired and charged and motivated by this piece. An aria for Africa. O nation of the lion that hunts in prides of prey, I call to you my people, find rest from the fray. O soft dew of its night times, light upon my head, feed us with thy bounties and with the living bread. O gardens from which the pomegranates droop like jewels of queens, O gardens from which sprout the crisp and native greens. 'Tis there it all began and ends, O nation of beleaguered friends. Africa, the land of kings, find o'er the world spread your wings. O nation of the cheetah's speed, how majestic is your seed. Like pearls scattered through the earth, tell your people of their worth. We live not being afraid to die, for there we know beyond the sky, like ancient scenes of glory shown, to men whose sight has made known the worlds beyond all telling tales, the lands where knowledge teems and swells. O nation of the mystics' creeds, O nation knowing not that greed that holds the key to the gates of heaven, that knows the fire of the circle of 7. Shine, bright beacon, thou precious gem, we shall never bend to them. O nation of the lion that hunts in prides of prey, find rest from your givings and drum your cares away. O nation of the tiger, king of the jungle striped, O land of the bamboo with which the pipers fight, find rest from your cryings, find rest from your woes. Africa, my people, your strength forever grows. Thank you so much, and may we all keep and bear in mind that Africa, Mother Africa, is where it all began, and it will undoubtedly be where it all ends. Thank you so much again.